Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, we will learn how to develop basic thought regarding a topic by exploring relevant variables by the use of AI platform. So in this video, we are going to use Google AI Studio. So first, what you have to do, go on to Google AI Studio websites and log into your account. So once you will log into your account, that particular screen will be appeared in front of you. So what we have to do now in our first step, we must have some basic idea regarding the topic in a general sense. For example, in my first step, I am going to give AI some basic thought regarding my field. So what I did, I gave a prompt to Google AI Studio that I want to see the role of Industry 4.0 technologies and their impact on ESG in the manufacturing sectors. So I will extend my prompt by asking AI to give me the list of variables which help me to answer my research questions and align with my research proposal. So what you have to do, once you will provide prompt to Google AI Studio, then you will click on run. So after that, Google AI will go into some thinking process, for example, identifying the key concept, refining the variables category, their research strategy mapping, and they develop variables categories. So after a few moments, you would see that Google AI Studio will give you a broader perspective regarding our topic. For example, now you can see in terms of variables, independent variables, for example, Industry 4.0 technology adoption. So what you can add more into the Industry 4.0 technologies, for example, Internet of Things, Industrial Internet of Things, Big Data Analytics, Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, robotics, cloud computing, and there are so many other technologies that you can use in the definition of either Industry 4.0 technology adoption, or you can study them individually. So if we see, the dependent variable is ESG performance, and what we have in the ESG performance: environmental, social, and governance. So moreover, we have other control variables, for example, from specific characteristic like from size, from age, industry sector, financial performance, and other geographical locations. So what I will do, I will ask Google AI Studio to make it more simplified for me. So I'll give one more prompt. For example, give me how to draw a conceptual model based on above variable for my study. So once you will give a clear prompt to the Google AI Studio, then again you will click on run. So again, it will go into the thinking process, for example, expanding our view model thoughts, drawing a conceptual model, investigating the different variables. Now here you can see that we have different thoughts into different steps. For example, step 1, we have the core constructs, for example, independent variable, dependent variables, and control variables. Step 2, again step 3. Moreover, the discussion have been extended to step number 4, where you can see that it's particularly talking about the different perspective regarding the conceptual model. And then we have step number 5 as well, where they will talk about how to incorporate the control variable. And this is something you can see that a complete conceptual model have been designed by Google AI Studio. So what we have to do now, simply copy all the text and go on to Chatgpt and ask Chatgpt to create an image based on the content that you have copied from Google AI Studio. For example, here you can see that. So this is the final look of our model created by the Chatgpt based on the information that we got it from Google AI Studio. So here you can see that we have independent variables, Industry 4.0 technology adoptions, where you can add IoT, big data, AI and machine learning, robotics, and automations, while you can see its consequences on ESG performance, and we have environmental performance, social performance, governance performance, and other from specific characteristics, for example, from size, from age, industry sector, and financial performance. So this is the final look and quite relevant variables that we have identified related to Industry 4.0 and ESG performance. So this is how you can follow these steps and develop some basic thought regarding your topic by the use of Google AI Studio and ChatGPT.